Pollution clouds are growing thicker every year. Flood-prone regions across India are expanding. Deforestation continues to accelerate, but geo-awareness and practical GIS skills are missing. Schools and students lack real-world geospatial learning experiences. Yet the world now demands geospatial thinkers for sustainability and smart development. Introducing GeoVerse, a pioneering platform combining geospatial technology with environmental sustainability. Explore real-time environmental data, virtual terrain labs, drone flight simulators, designed to guide every learner on their personalized journey.
Sustainability program supporting India's Digital India Mission, Skill India Mission, Swachh Bharat Mission, and Make in India.
Join GeoVerse and shape a career that helps build a cleaner, smarter, geo-enabled world.